Isn't afraid of water? She is. She is. But she enjoys it if she can just feel with like legs. That's what she enjoy. Like she does like she enjoy like tapping the water, but not swimming. So when she can feel with legs, she feels the water with legs. That's the her like hype mode starts. Oh, McDonald's had the Tokyo banana soft serve. I didn't remember. I didn't go to McDonald's. Yeah, she's more like a cat more than yeah, she's more cat than dog. Yeah, I think sometimes feel like that. Like the way she enjoy the bowls, like she's like she does like that as well. A diva, exactly. She is a super diva. Like who 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 made you like that? Who's your I don't know your parents. I want to see your parents. So diva, so princess. Hi yogurt. She's in the. She's not here. She's in the old house still. So if we come here tomorrow, we may bring Hana-chan here. It depends, because every time before we come here, we go shopping and like try to, like, you know, the floor matting, the floor, the panel and stuff, or just like something, we just buy stuff and come here. So if it's like too many things, we may not have her again. But and if it's rain tonight, and then the yard is too muddy, maybe not. But if tomorrow is a sunny day, we may have Hana-chan while I'm like digging the hole again. Probably I will let Hana-chan be outside as well.